project management, it's quite common to be working on more than one project. And sometimes these projects are often dependent on one another. In this video, we're going to show you how, using Microsoft Project, you can link different tasks between different projects. In this example, we've got two different projects. We've got a work party project and we also have a street party project. And for this particular example, we want the logistics to be organized at the same time. In other words, the milestone is dependent on the other one being completed. So how can we do that? Well, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the bottom of your project and select a row that's out of the way of the rest of your Gantt chart. And then select the Project tab and insert Sub-Project. And you'll be asked to select the project that you want to link the tasks to. Now, we mentioned before it was a work party. We're going to select Work Party Video and simply select Insert. See here that our work party project has appeared, and we're going to want to expand that. And as we mentioned before, we want to link our milestones, logistics being organised for the work party and the logistics being organised for the street party. So we're going to link those together. Task link. There you'll see there is a direct link. Our tasks have moved. 18th of the 10th for the street party and 18th of the 10th for the work party. Now we can shrink that project, and in fact we can actually get in there and delete that row. And if presented with the box, click yes. Notice what occurs up here. We actually have a ghost task that's been inserted. Because we've linked these two milestones, or it could be the same with any task that you might link, and it shows the dependency here. If we were to jump into our work party project, we can also see that the street party logistics organised has also been correspondingly linked as a ghost task there. So that means, hypothetically, if we were to increase a task on our critical path, let's add that to 30 days, that's now pushed out to the 15th of the 11th. Let's take a look at what our street party project says. As you can see, it updates in a live manner there. So quite a useful tool, and can be useful particularly when you have multiple projects that have interdependencies within one another. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe and please feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to hear your feedback.